雪花飘飘，北风萧萧，天地一片苍茫。
Greetings, Mitro. It is I, the host, one of the hosts, with the other host. Today we have a couple of unliked, hated people among us. Not among us, but surrounding us. And their discussion and their way of speaking might get very annoying to some audiences. Since you can't do anything about it, you'll just have to bear with it. Okay, Kedar.
They're being too loud too. Fucking screaming. They are being too loud, bro, not us. Anyways, today's kind of subtopic is
Biryani incident.
We call it the biryani incident. Basically, the biryani incident is me and Srijan ordered biryani in class.
Jumbo biryani.
Not thinking about whether it is allowed or not. And when we asked English teacher, apparently it had happened before. And it wasn't good, I can say that.
English teacher did not help us get it in. So, the management guy, Praveen, he took Kedar's biryani away.
Not exactly, but the last time it happened, all we know is Praveen almost ate the biryani for himself.
He was lusting over the biryani.
Then English ma'am went and said, "This is my biryani, I'll eat it off, I paid for it." This time, however, we planned it a bit ahead and we told, "Damn, let's ask one of our parents to call and say order is coming." And we did that. And that guy in turn shouts at our parents saying, "You shouldn't do this, non-veg is not allowed." And guess what? They didn't tell anything like this at the time of admission.
The problem was that Kedar is a pure veg.
With pure vegetarian, Brahmin.
He ordered chicken biryani from his
Because
he ordered a jumbo chicken biryani from Shah House. And they called his dad saying, "Why did your beta buy jumbo chicken biryani for 800 rupees
basically,
from Shah House?"
People here wanted to eat, so I ordered that too.
Okay. You'll eat nothing. Just out of the kindness of your heart. Kindness of
He
your
was
heart.
a bit skeptical that this would get out of hand, and that came to be true. It did go out of hand.
That guy, he asked me to eat down there or just collect it in the evening.
Mind you, that thing weighed like 5 kilograms. I could feed the entirety of this college, bro.
I just chose to collect it in the evening. We ate in the evening.
Everyone left. It was me, Srijan and Kedar in Tipsy Topsy with a 20 rupees Coke and paper plates. We ate like 2 kgs of it. It was just very, my god.
After eating lunch.
They gave the rest to Karthik's auto driver.
He said it was nice, bro.
He liked it, so whatever, bro.
What else? What else?
That was the biryani topic.
Another Fiji incident.
What else is there?
Or she fumbling his word.
I'm eating, bro.
The pet 3 of phase 2 just happened.
A lot of people fucked up.
They're getting less than 100 in second batch itself.
The reason why we don't have the old Abhiram, we have a new replacement Abhiram with us right now.
Replacement Abhiram, yes.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Okay.
That was Praveen's best secret admirer.
Philip's secret messages of his love every single day to Praveen.
You know what Praveen
The
sir
sad
did?
part with the biryani incident was that
He was the one who snitched on us.
who?
That security guard snitched on us, no? Saying biryani was coming.
I don't think
Praveen sir
only
collected
got-
it, bro.
Praveen only collected
Was he like a regular or something? Like, or the driver went and went like, "Oh, Praveen sir, Meera."
He knew the order name, so he could collect.
The delivery man probably knew who that was. What?
Okay, as I was saying, the reason why we don't have the old Abhiram with us anymore is because
He's depressed.
he's getting too involved in this
Social
shit
media.
and not being able to bring up his marks.
at
So we told him to
Put away
stay
his
off,
phone, yeah.
stay off for a brief moment until his marks get back up.
Right now he's scrolling through Amazon on his phone.
For some reason.
Actually, some female shoes, bro, like heels. I don't know why he's looking at heels.
Okay.
That's an article, by the way. I don't know what
Do you have
Karthik is
anything else
seeing.
to say?
He has
Okay.
glasses.
I didn't
You know,
know.
Abhiram is very shy and does not like to talk.
The replacement one.
He brings very bland food every day.
Sprouts,
Although
rice.
Both of his parents are very.
They don't
very
love him.
rich.
They
are
don't
very
love him
rich.
though.
Yes. It is not the fact that they don't have money to cook good food.
They just don't
It's
care
just
about
they
him.
They just don't want to make
Care.
Abhiram happy and send him bland food every day.
They want to kill all his emotions, so he
He
becomes...
rejected one of his crushes in his school because apparently you cannot do that.
Do not do that.
So
basically-
he rejected one of his crushes in school because apparently I won't tell the reason because it's
Apparently there were too many women behind him and
Yeah.
he had different priorities in life.
Anyways.
He was just buying his latest Lamborghini and some girl asked him out apparently. Right, Abhiram? Hey, Abhiram, let's talk about the $500,000 you donated to Mahatma Gandhi Law College yesterday.
He donates every day, by the way.
Yes, like millions of dollars. Why did you take a screenshot?
it took control.
Pressing all the buttons.
Don't flip it.
He'll turn it off again.
There's oil here, bro. We won't. If he turns it off, we can press play again. You know that, right?
Makes sense.
Okay.
This is getting boring, bro. Let's talk about Hershey's girlfriend.
Yes, Hershey's
who is in
girlfriend.
8th class.
Yes, his girlfriend.
Right? I'll cut it off.
I'll post
If you
again.
don't cut it off, I'll cut it off.
Okay.
I won't send you the recording if you cut it off.
Okay.
Hershey's being
Cut
very
it off.
Let's talk
annoying.
about Kedar's girlfriend then.
Let's talk about Kedar's girlfriend.
Girlfriends.
I'm gonna cut it out.
The truth is, we're all lifeless bozos with nothing, absolutely nothing going on in our life.
Who is us, bro?
Hey, just stop acting.
Fair enough. Fair enough.
I'm eating very tasty cake right now.
We've been very,
From today,
what is that called?
he uploads on YouTube.
Inconsistent.
He sends it to all his girlfriends so she can.
The podcast.
Who's we, bro?
His voice or something.
Okay. With
Mind
the
it?
podcast, yeah, with the
I'll
podcast. Never mind.
Throw your cake on the ground.
How is your girlfriend? Just show about Srijan's girlfriend. Come.
It's a Karthik, stop. You're very unfunny.
Do you want to talk about your life here?
Hey, what the fuck?
Bro, stop. Actually, I'll beat the fuck out of you. Fucking disgusting, bro.
Hey, what is this, man? How did you eat like this? Look at it from here.
Abhiram just starts pushing the leftover rice on the bench towards us.
Okay, there's one more problem. I still haven't edited and posted the last episode we recorded.
Bro, lazy ass.
Not my fault, I'm studying for the weekly exams.
Still getting 180. Have you finished your meal?
Okay, it became unfunny. Wait, they're beating up some guy named Rahul. Wait, I'll be right back.